Hello and welcome back to Leander98 channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Tom's T111 Toyota Corolla 11/Trueno on an X-Mod's Evolution chassis. This is not an OEM body and was custom made just for this chassis. This body was printed on my Anycubic Photon Mono X, printed in this orientation that you see here. Besides the spoiler being upright on the car, it was printed on its back. The body itself is a modified version of a previous Toyota Trueno BZR that it was posted roughly last year. So this one's updated for 2023, besides it actually having a 2024 license plate on it because I ran out of plates. And technically, I'm posting this in 2024, but it still counts as a 2023 model. This chassis here normally belongs to the 99 Civic from the X-Mod Gen 1 series. However, we have it on an X-Mod's Evolution as it's just much more up-to-date and easier to fit electronics onto. This chassis is 94mm and from hex nut to hex nut, and it's a narrow chassis sitting at roughly 68mm wide. This chassis is going to be dubbed the Economy Coupe / Compact Sedan chassis, as it normally houses economy cars. Normally, we'll set the similar size sports coupes to a different chassis, or different clip I should say, but for this one, we'll be using this.
This episode of Body Shell Reviews isn't sponsored, but I would like to give a shout out to a brilliant artist known as Hakasuka Works. Based out of Australia, he makes his living creating your dream ride in nostalgic cel-shaded graphics. We found each other through this Seiko XS that he has created here, and I myself even got the Gina Special and asked for the City Turbo from Midnight Club 2. He offers commissions starting at 125 USD. Maybe just interested in seeing his museum of cars? Give his Instagram or Twitter a look at Hakasuka Works.
Ooh, come on. Not weak. Oh no! Oh, jeez! This car is very tip-happy today. Never had it before. Oh! That sounds very difficult. Oh my god! Ooh. Here the back tires trying to squeal them again. Oh, jeez. Oh! Come on. Might have spent all the grip we had on the back. Maybe I want to put the camera on the trunk. Oh, that's it, right at the finish. Sweet! This felt so good to drive, but jeez, we had the worst luck. Sweet! Alright, let's take a look at that timesheet, and boy was this car hot. 7.03 was its fastest lap, and I tell you what, this car had a lot going against it. I don't know what was up with the suspension or tires, but this thing was wild to drive. It flipped over so many times. Granted, it didn't help that my foam wall on the one side is kind of ramped up, but this thing felt top heavy, and it was probably because of the camera's location. We'll have to move that to the trunk on some other cars when it comes time for them. But, oh boy, and it drove nice. Like, the suspension felt soft like the Skyline we had last episode, but in the same way it also felt stiff like the chassis was twisting. But the steering felt good and fast. We were able to do those S-turns pretty quickly, and we put down that fast lap. We had 28 laps in there, but that was because we wrecked so much. Median was 8.56, but yeah, we had those wrecks. We had a 21-second lap and a 17-second lap. No wonder why we took so long. But yeah, we even had some times that were close to the 7.0s. A few of them actually. So yeah, I'd say this car was genuinely fast. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. One last thing before we close here on this video. If you like the cars that you saw in this video, take a look at the link down in the description. It'll take you to my Cults 3D page where you can download the STL file for just $1. That $1 will get you a dummy chassis and the body in resin printing and FDM plastic printing as well. This way so that you can print it whether or not you have a plastic printer that you want to use for racing, or maybe you got a resin printer that you want to use extra detail for. Either way your taste, you can download the car that you saw in this video today on my Cults 3D page that's down in the link in the description below. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new, subscribe for more RC driving content here. That's quite a few different things that we do on this channel here, so I apologize if it's never one exact thing. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Ooh, come on. Got weak. Ooh. Oh no! Oh, my fault. Oh, jeez. This car is very tip happy today. Never had it much before. Oh. Oh, that sounds very hurtful. Oh my God! Ooh. You can hear the back tires trying to squeal when they turn. Oh, jeez. Very good car to drive. It just wants a tip. Come on, these are fast. Oh, come on. Might have spent all the grip we had on the back. Oh. Oh my goodness. Maybe we want to put the camera on the trunk. Well, it's not as top heavy. Oh, and that's it, right at the finish. Sweet! This felt so good to drive, but geez, we had the worst lot.